And voila, it's ready to be published on your online store. Hello, Tony from Lazy Cat's Mockup here. Today, I'm gonna show you how to use the free website Canva to edit and add your own design in this video mockup. You can find it in our Etsy store. If you want to use Photoshop, then click on the icon above to see the other video mockup tutorial I made especially for Photoshop. As you know, Etsy buyers love these little videos where you can see the designs. And most of all, it improves your ranking on Etsy. Here also, the goal is to show the garment and above all, your design. In this video, the pampas are moving, but the garment stays still. The buyer stays focused on your design. So when you buy this video mockup, you will get the JPEG mockup for free. So you'll have the still image and the video to display in your online store. The design area is this rectangle right here. If your design is smaller, don't worry, you can adjust it easily and have the right size. With the print-on-demand company Printful, you can print up to 12 by 16 inches for the front, and this is exactly the right size in this mockup. So without any further ado, let's add our design. First, you have to create a free account with Canva. It's super quick. So when it's done, in the search bar, type video and then enter. You will have a huge selection from Canva and just press create a blank video. A new window will open. So you have here a blank video template. It's only 5 seconds long, but don't worry. It will match the 15 seconds of the video that you will import. The original size of the video is 2880 pixels by 2160 pixels. On Canva, if you have a free account, you will be able to make a video 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels. But if you have a pro member account, then you can use the original size of this video mockup. The truth is that this size is already okay. On the left side, click on Uploads and then Videos. Now, just take the video mockup, drag it to the rectangle right here, and it will download to the Canva website. It's gonna take like a minute. To add the video mockup to the blank video, just click once on the icon and it will appear on the screen. To fit the video mockup, do not use the middle sections. Use the dots on each corners. It will fit and snap the top and then the bottom, and just move the video so you're sure that it's right in the middle. You can see that there's a white background behind the video. You can decide to add a picture on the background like I do here, these flowers. Or if you want to, add your logo, the name of your shop, as you want. Or you can leave it white like I do here in this video. Now I'm gonna add the picture that I'm gonna put on the sweater. Just click on Images, on Uploads, and then drag the picture and it will download automatically to Canva. So here I have a PNG quote, be positive. I just click once on the icon and it will appear on the screen. Now I'm gonna resize it. I'm just gonna use one of the dots on the corner and like this. I'm gonna hit play and take a look at the final result. So you see only the pampas are moving on the right side. Let me show you with another design. First, I'm gonna delete the PNG quote. Now I drag the summer picture I have and click once. It's gonna appear on the screen. And now I just have to resize it. I'm gonna hit again play. I wanna take a look at the final result. And right here above, I'm gonna change the title. To download the video, you have to click share, then hit download, and again download. It takes about 1 minute to download. It's super quick. And voila, it's ready to be published on your online store. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as you can see, it was super easy to add your design in this video mockup. You can take a look at our channel for more tutorials, and on our Etsy store for all the different colors available. That's it. Hit the like button if you found this video useful, and see you soon for another tutorial.